Inkosi yamaZulu esibuse isikhathi eside kunamanye amakhosi ibungazwe uhulumeni. Umongameli Cyril Ramaphosa uthi iSilo Samabandla Onke uKhudwe kaBhekuzulu ubezigqaja ngamasiko kaZulu.
Today is a difficult day. Ilanga lishone emini. Imbube will be remembered for being the staunchest defender of his people. He not only defended and advanced the interests of the Zulu people, advanced their culture, their customs, the traditions, and a deep sense of identity and nationhood.
Isifundazwe sakaZulu Natal siphuma esikhathini esibi lapho bekukhona khona izimpi zezepolitiki kanye nokubulawana. Inkosi Goodwill Zwelithini wabamba iqhaza eliphezulu ukuvimba lolu udlame elibhekiswe kwamaqembu ezepolitiki kanye futhi nokuhambela amahostela.
The king will be remembered for his role in bringing peace and stability KwaZulu Natal during the difficult times our country went through. Working together with a number of other leaders, and especially former President Jacob Zuma, they worked to ensure, together with Ubabo Ubuthelezi, that there is peace in this province.
Njengoba iSilo samabandla sesitshaliwe manje, isizwe sakaZulu sekumele siqhubeke nomlando wakhe uKing Goodwill kaBhekuzulu.
Hamba kahle iSilo samabandla. Wena wendlovu. Wena wendlovu. Bayede.
Ngingusamkele Maseko wezindaba ze-SABC eGoli.